Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Madison. Thanks for joining. Please excuse the setup right now. I'm trying to figure out some stuff and I wanted to film. So this is just what we're gonna go with. I am doing my February Boxycharm that has just arrived. Anyways, for those of you that don't know what it is, Boxycharm is a monthly beauty subscription service, and it is $21 a month. That is in US funds, so it's a little bit more expensive for us Canadians, but I definitely think it's worth it. If you guys wanted to see what was in February's box, then just keep watching. Once you cut the tape and open up the box, this is what you're going to get. Mine was destroyed, first off. Uh-oh. I'm going to talk about this bad boy because he's all over my box. This is the Vintage by Jessica Lebensky, however you say her last name, smoky eye pencil in jet black. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's completely broken. Completely smushed, and all around the box, it's all over the place. So it is a sharpenable pencil, so that could be fixed. And on the card here, it says it retails for $21, and it says Jessica's, I don't know what this word is because there's black all over my thing. I'm going to say Jessica's highly pigmented smoky eye pencil delivers intense jet black definition, creating pencil point precision or a smudgy saturated color. This creamy soft formula glides on lids without tugging or pulling. So I'll definitely give this guy a try. Definitely is jet black, that's 100%, but I don't really use eyeliners that much, so this item's okay. Next up, I'm going to talk about these. These are Crown brushes, 3-piece brush trio. So that is what these guys look like right there. These are definitely giving me the Wet n Wild brushes because they have the pink tip with the white bristles. Do you get what I mean? Little cute white handles. They do say Crown in pink on the handle itself. Looks like we have like a face brush. Don't really know what I would use this for. Maybe nose contouring, not too sure. And then just a regular like shader brush. So on here it says the trio brush set retails for $29.99. Use the 3-piece Pro Brush Trio to contour your face to perfection. The small brush can be used to conceal imperfections and highlight underneath the eyes. The medium-sized brush can be used to sculpt cheekbones and the perimeter of the face. Finally, the large powder brush can be used to set everything in place. Definitely will be using this to set my under eyes. I love brushes like this. I have one from Crown. No, sorry, just kidding. It's from Model Pro, and I like the dome because I can really like pack underneath my eye. So I will definitely be using this guy for that. I could maybe chisel out my cheekbones with this and around nose, totally use that. And then everyone should always have these guys sticking around because they come in handy for lots of different things. Concealer, inner eye highlight underneath the brow bone, and just obviously on your eyes. So super excited to add these guys in my collection. Next up with this guy that was like all broken and busting out of here. This is the Cover FS Shimmer Veil. Oh, I'm so excited. Look how pretty that is. This is in Amethyst, and this is their new shimmer veils. So I've heard a lot about these things, so I'm super excited. I don't know if you guys can see that. Look at that color. Oh my god, I cannot wait to use this on my eyes. This retails for $28. This multi-use shimmering cream color are crease proof, enough for the boldest of eye looks, and formulated with a weightless finish for a shimmering effect anywhere for the face, suitable for all skin types. So I guess you could use this as a highlighter, as a color on your eye, blend it out. It looks really pretty too. Like as a highlight, like I said. I love this color. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It's like a purple, but like there's definitely shimmer. It's not glitter. Like, it's hard to explain. You guys definitely need to check these out if you can. Super excited to have this guy. I cannot wait to play with him. Next up is something by Pure. It says Exfo Lips Plumping Exfoliator. That's cool. Let's try it on the hand. Oh wow, that... Do you guys see how much has melted already just from me rubbing it on my hand? Oh my god, that's gonna be so nice on the lips. There's definitely like grains of salt or sugar or something in here. So that's super exciting. I love lip exfoliators. I have one from Tarte. They're lip facial or something, and I absolutely love it. I've already gone through 3 of them. They're amazing, so maybe this will take its place. Let's find out. So this guy retails for $17. It says with an instant boost of shea butter, raw sugar, and exfoliating beads, this 4-in-1 lip scrub pencil exfoliates, plumps, hydrates, and soothes. Using shea butter to soften the lips, while the raw sugar and exfoliating beads are used to buff away dead surface cells, it moisturizes the lips for a softer, smoother, more plump lip. Definitely can never have too many of these, I think. I go through them pretty quickly, definitely in the winter because your lips get dry, you know? So super excited to try. And last thing in the box is this holographic beauty. Forgot to mention this month's is Galaxy Glow, by the way. Well, February, now we're in March. So this is the Naked Cosmetics, oh my god, I can't even read this, holographic highlighter collection. I don't know if you can see, but there's liner all over this thing, which sucks, but it's on the outer package, so that's okay. This is what the packaging looks like, obviously holographic, and there is silver writing on the back of here, which is kind of hard to read. I wish they used maybe a different font. Look at this! Oh my god, this is so pretty. Definitely would not be using this every day, but I love these colors. This is definitely giving me the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild palette, I think it was. I didn't get that one because I wouldn't use these every day, but it's definitely giving me that vibe. Let's get some swatches. I gotta go for this pink. They are a little chalky. I'm gonna go for this like yellowy gold. And I'm gonna go for this blue because it's talking to me. So those are the three right there. They definitely kick up a bit of product in the pan. Wow! Oh my god, I don't know if you guys can see that, but like product is flying everywhere. But those colors are so stunning. They're so like pale. I love this yellow gold one. That is definitely probably one of my favorites. The pink is really pretty. I'm not wearing highlighter right on, so I will put some on and I'll be right back. So I applied some on my face. I used this yellow one today. Sorry if my lighting keeps going in and out. This is driving me nuts. But I used the yellow one right there. Super pretty. They are a little chalky, so they are going to emphasize texture, so just be careful with that. But I think this is fun to have. Great for Halloween, great for different looks. So I'm super excited to add this guy in my collection. I just don't know if I will be reaching for him every day, if that makes sense. So this guy retails for $39.99, and it says with 6 stunning holographic shades, this highlighting palette is essential for any makeup enthusiast. Each iridescent shade is a perfect for highlighting and layering to transform any look into something enchanting. So this month, my box retailed for $135.98, and again, I paid $21. So you're definitely getting your bang for your buck when you get Boxycharm. I did get 5 full-size items, and I will most likely be using quite a few of them. The 2 that I won't be using this month will be the eyeliner and maybe not necessarily the highlighting palette, but it is really nice to have in the collection. I'm super excited. I just wish I got my box a little bit sooner. I did get an email notifying me that it was going to be a little bit late, but not a whole month late. So I normally get my Boxycharm around the 15th, 17th area of the month, and today I just got it March 5th, which is a Monday. So kind of sucks, but you know what happens when you live in Canada. You know, you just can't pick and choose. But I'm super excited. I cannot wait for next month. I see some spoilers. I think we're getting another brush set. There is, I think Pure has collabed with Boxycharm on an eye palette, which I'm super excited about. And then there was Pretty Vulgar, which is a new Sephora brand, recently new, I should say. And I think we're getting a blush, which will be super excited. So if you guys like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. And if you aren't already, click that subscribe button before you leave. And I will see you in my future videos. Bye!